What you'll find when you start to poke around either at the code or at the documentation is that a large value of C means that you're going to get more training points correct. So what that means in practice is that you get the more intricate decision boundaries with the larger values of C, where it can wiggle around individual data points to try to get everything correct, but at the cost of something that could be a little bit more complex than you liked it. Figuring out exactly how much you want a straight decision, figuring out how much you want to have a smooth decision boundary versus one that gets things correct is, of course, part of the artistry of machine learning.